cute and affordable vinyl-sided home near Lake Winnebago and Menominee Park. Offers 3 generous-sized bedrooms, nice-size living room, cute kitchen, and formal dining room. It's always nice having a first-floor master bedroom. Plus you have a first-floor combination laundry, bathroom. In spring and summer you will be sure to enjoy the enclosed sitting porch. The upper level hosts the other 2 bedrooms plus a small landing that could be a nice play area. Has central air, full basement, partially fenced yard and a detached 1-car garage. Call today for your private showing.